Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to edit the CSS in your Webflow website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see here, we can even see all of the websites that we have created, and here we have the option to go ahead and create a new website if we want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here that I have already created, so-called YouTube tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on right here and clicking on Open Designer. After clicking on Open Designer guys, now this will open up the website in the page where we'll be able to go ahead and edit it. It has opened up in design mode, and now guys you can see we are greeted by the main page right here, and let's look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see all the options that you have that you need for managing your website and seeing all of your options, components and so on. As you can see, there is no option to directly edit the code or the CSS of any of our text. And why is that guys? Well, I'm going to be showing you right now how you can edit the code. So what we need to do guys, the first thing is to go right here into the upper left corner and click this plus button right here called Add Elements. Clicking on Add Elements guys, now this will open up this new tab where we can add multiple options, such as we can add buttons or text and so on. And let's go ahead and scroll down all the way down guys till the end of the page, where we'll be able to see there is an option called Embed. So guys, what we will be able to do is to go ahead and add embed. As you can see here guys, I currently do not have the upgraded plan. You do need the upgraded plan to be able to edit the code of the website. So when you have upgraded your plan, as you can see, I need to upgrade it. You can click on this star right here, and this will open up the upgrade page right here where we can go ahead and upgrade our plan. But guys, I currently do not have an upgraded plan. So what you have to do after upgrading, just click on embed. It will add the code option right here. Then you can go ahead and start typing in your code and your CSS, and you will be able to successfully edit your website. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.